Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to unlock your DBS digibank account if you're logged out. So first, open the official DBS digibank app or website and try signing in. And if your account has been locked because of multiple failed login attempts, then don't keep entering different passwords. Instead, look for the available unlock, reset, or account recovery option. Then follow the instructions shown on screen and enter the information DBS requests. You may need to verify your identity using your registered mobile number or another security method. And make sure your registered contact details are correct before continuing. If you can't complete the process through the app, then you need to contact DBS through its official customer support channel. And please don't use any third-party websites or people claiming they can unlock your banking account. So that was it for the video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.